Emva kokukhala ngaphansi okhethweni lango-2021, uTrump wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi angeke aphele amandla njengoba ezimisele ukubuya okwesibili kwesokwengamela iMelika.
That election, the 2020 presidential election, was by far the most corrupt election in the history of our country. There's never been anything like this. They used COVID and they used the mail-in ballots to steal an election.
NgoNhlaba nyakenye, uTrump waba umengameli wokuqala ukuba athweswe amacala eMelika. Lokhu wakuthatha njengezinye zezindlela zokuzama ukumnqanda ekungeneleni ukhetho.
Threatening me with 400 years in prison for possessing my own presidential papers, which just about every other president has done, is one of the most outrageous and vicious legal theories ever put forward in an American court of law.
uTrump usesinde kabili emzamweni yokumsoconga ngesikhathi eqhuba imikhankaso yakhe. Isigameko sokuqala saba ngoNtulikazi yePennsylvania, esesibili saba ngoMandulo eduze kwenkundla yakhe yokudlala igalofu eFlorida.
I am running to be president for all of America, not half of America, because there is no victory in winning for half of America.
uTrump wehlula uKamala Harris ngamavoti angu-312 kwangu-226.